Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Seauto Shark SE Cordless Pool Cleaner, Automatic Robotic Vacuum, 4 cleaning modes with Waterline cleaning, replaceable battery. 90,000 PA strong power, ideal for in-ground and above-ground pools. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Pool cleaning. Our cordless pool vacuum robot does all the hard work for you. This smart pool cleaner automatically picks up debris and uses sonar route planning to navigate your pool. Reliable robot vacuum. The pool cleaner robot may be used for above-ground or in-ground pools up to 2,150 square feet. It can scrub dirt off of PVC, pebble, concrete, or fiberglass pool floors and walls. Suction. Restore the pristine look of your pool. This pool cleaning equipment is fitted with front and back scrubbers, plus a 390 watts brushless motor that dishes out 90,000 PA of suction power. Working time. Powered by a robust 10,400 mAh battery, this robotic pool cleaner can work non-stop for up to 3 hours on a single charge. The battery fully charges in about 2 to 2.5 hours. It remotely. The white pool robot can be operated via a downloadable app. Set weekly cleaning schedules, select cleaning modes, or customize its movement speed through your smart device. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.